Sunset in 2018, showcasing her enduring artistry and passion for her craft. Whereas beyond her professional achievements, Gloria Romero was deeply admired for her warmth, humility, and kindness, leaving an indelible impression on her colleagues and serving as an inspiration to generations of Filipino artists. Now, therefore, be it resolved, as it is hereby resolved, that the House of Representatives of the Philippines honors and commemorates the life, legacy, and immense contributions of Philippine film and television icon Gloria Romero, and expresses its deepest sympathies and sincerest condolences to her family, friends, and loved ones during this time of mourning. Resolve further that a copy of this resolution be furnished to the family of Gloria Romero as a testament to the respect, admiration, and gratitude of the nation for her remarkable life and legacy. Adopted, signed yours truly, Rani Mercado Revilla, 2nd District of Cavite, Brian Revilla of the Alipan Party List, and Representative Ramon John Revilla, the 3rd First District. Alay po natin po kayo ni Gloria Romero.
Ma'am, isang question na nalasa lang. May naalala ba kayong binigyan niyang payo sa inyo? Kung nag-usap kayo or...
She was more of a walking example to us. The mere fact na wala kang naririnig na complaints about work, complaints about life sacrifices, her journey sa personal life niya, sa buhay niyang pag-ibig, sa buhay niya bilang nanay, talagang she's a walking, beautiful example to all of us bilang isang tao at bilang isang artist.
Miss Lani, ano pong na-feel nyo dun sa revelation ng best friend niya kanina na na-confine siyang 10 days sa hospital?
Actually, I was one of the few people who knew about it. Okay. Tinawagan ako ni Tita Pepe kasi we were in the verge of explore. Kasi Tita Pepe was requesting me and Nadia Montenegro to take over Baliksamahan 2 kasi the Baliksamahan senior actors and actresses are, yun na nga sabi nga nila, papunta na daw nga sila sa departure area, which we don't want to talk about. We kept it a secret. I spoke with Marites and I know for that during those times iyak siya na iyak. Hindi siya makausap ng maayos kasi malungkot na malungkot siya. Mabigat para sa amin na hindi magsalita because we respected the request of Marites na huwag ito munang malaman. And up to this very day, mitay namin siya na siya ang mag-announce sa mga tao na ito na nga po ang araw ng Panginoon ng Panginoon ng Gloria. Kumbaga, tapos na ang kanyang lahat ng Panginoon. It was very sad.
Maraming salamat po.